Back in the studio. Today is Tuesday. I didn't shoot anything yesterday because I have lots of projects, and when I have a good amount of work, I just put my head down and go. Try and finish as soon as possible. I started this recording because, like I've mentioned in last week video, I have a Shelford channel from Rupert Neve Design on the way. It just arrived, this beautiful box right here. Unboxing, install it in the rack. Let's put it on the ground, much safer. We got twins, all the other cables behind the desk, so this is going to take me some time because I have to move the desk a bit to get underneath it. Talk to you when I have the Shelford installed. I just finished installing the new Shelford channel in the rack. Ooh, this is how the twins look. It's a bit late in the day and I have other things to do. I will not have the time to properly test out the channels. I will do it in the upcoming days. It's time to get out of the studio, get other things done. Woo-hoo-hoo. Till tomorrow. I'm sad. So yesterday was Tuesday, today is a new day. As I showed you yesterday, I received my new Shelford channel. I was pretty excited to install it. I was really happy to start using the pair in stereo. But guess what? One of the channels, the one that I had previously, is not working properly anymore. This is one of the main reasons why I wanted to start this vlog, this from the studio video series, because I want to showcase what happens in the studio. It's not always happy stuff. Sad stuff happens in life. The issue that I have now is that one of the Shelfords isn't showing the correct gain reduction and the VU is stuck. I've emailed everybody, shops where I bought the Shelfords, Neve themselves, their service, waiting for their reply. My guess is that something happened when I tried to link the two units. When you are using two Shelford channels, you have the option to link them together. And you can link them with a simple TRS cable that's in the manual, that's the info online. I tried doing that and I got the compressors linked, but then one of them got stuck. I did everything. I removed the cable, restart both units, restart just one unit, remove the power, all that shenanigans. Nothing seems to work. Now I only have one Shelford. This is what happens in real life. So I have to deal with this. It sucks. Let's say I'm angry with myself that I let this get to me. I was upset. Shit like this shouldn't affect you. This is hardware. This is something that you cannot control. It's knobs, metal, and electronics inside, so shit can break at any point in time. My best advice to you is to keep calm and push forward. That's the advice that I have for me too. Right now I have the VU meter on both units showing the output. So the VU meter is moving from here to here, left to right. The top unit is the new one, and I've just switched the VU meter to show the reduction from the compressor. As you can see, it's on 0, logical, everything is perfect. On the bottom unit, the gain reduction is stuck at 5. Ce, mă? Hai mă, prostiile, mă. Hey guys, I know it's been a while. I believe I haven't talked to you in about a week. Things got really busy. The puppy has some health issues, so I had to run around like a headless chicken. I live in a city that's really bad when it comes to transport. So if you have to do something, you probably will lose half a day. I ended up the previous video crying about the shelfboards. Quick update on that. As you can see from the rack, both shelfboards are gone. One is gone forever and the other one is in the shop just to make sure that we get it fixed. Other than that, still trying to catch up with a lot of the mixes, a lot of the projects that I have. I do have a lot of great ideas for YouTube videos. I just got the new R6. I'm shooting with it right now. I still have the old and trusted EOS R. I wanted to get a new camera because I really want to do more videos like the previous one, the demo for the star level and the massive passive. And I want to have one camera on the gear, one camera on me, just to make sure that I can convey what I'm trying to explain, what I'm trying to say. It's a big investment in video gear, but I believe it's totally worth it because I really enjoy making videos. Another thing that I want to talk about is this experience with the shelfboard channels was a pain in the ass, but it opened my eyes and it showed me the direction I have to take it with the gear I purchase and the gear I want. I want to stay away, or how should I put this? I had a lot of pieces of gear from the States and I usually have some sort of issues with most of them. I'm not saying that the gear is bad or anything like that, that the quality control is bad. I'm just saying that in this setup, with this power, with everything, something is always a bit off. So I have decided to go with companies that are more close to home. The reason for that is the experience with the shelfboard taught me one thing. When you are working with boutique gear, with gear from abroad, from the States, in the current situation with the pandemic, with limited supply of components and things like that, the lead time to get something repaired or to replace a piece of gear, it's just crazy. I don't want to be in the position where I have a piece of gear on the road more than in the studio. Right now I have on order a music cue from Alicia. This is going to be the mixing and the mastering EQ. I will be using it with the massive passive. I still have on the way the VSM2 from Vertigo Sounds. That's the main piece that I'm really looking forward to get in the studio. Another piece of gear that I really want to get in the studio is a TubeTech CL1B. The stock is always limited and I made a mistake. I had the option to purchase one recently. I passed that, so I will have to wait to get a new one. That's the plan. I will stop purchasing gear after I have the VSM2, music cue, compressor, and maybe another character compressor, but I'm still debating on that. I really don't want to be in this constant change. I want to have something stable. I want to learn the setup that I have. I want to be able to work fast on the gear that I have, and if I add more and more gear, then that's not possible. Really excited about the future, really excited about the new clean mastering and mixing chain that I will have. Really excited to work on a lot of music with the gear that I have. The gear is not everything, and I still do a lot of mixing inside the box.